Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for WorkInTech, quick tutorial step by step. Begin by navigating to the WorkInTech website using your preferred web browser. Look for the sign up or register button prominently displayed on the home page. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Re-enter your password in the designated field to confirm it. Next, you may be asked to provide your full name. Fill in your first and last name as requested. Once you have completed the required fields, click on the Continue or Next button. On the following screen, check if any additional information is needed, such as your phone number or location. Fill in any required details accurately. Review the user agreement and privacy policy to ensure you understand the terms. Tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Finally, click on the Submit or Register button to complete your registration. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your information. Open your email inbox and look for the confirmation email from WorkInTech. Click on the confirmation link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, you can log in using your email and password. Explore your new account and customize your profile as needed. You're all set to start using WorkInTech. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.